Good morning, everyone. I'm explaining the traveling salesman problem today. So, before going to the discussion of example, we'll discuss the procedure about the traveling salesman problem. Here, the traveling salesman goes from one city to another, visiting each city only once and return to the starting city after visiting all other cities. The main objective of this traveling salesman problem is to give a route such that its total cost is minimum. So next is the traveling salesman problem, also an assignment problem in which the salesman goes from a city to itself is not allowed. City to itself is not allowed, and its cost you can consider it as a infinity. The traveling salesman should be a cycle passage through all the cities, and no city is to be visited twice. These are the rules can be used while solving the problem, while solving the traveling salesman problem. Next is with the help of example, I'll explain the traveling salesman problem. So here you can observe clearly. So here cities A, B, C, D, four cities will be given. Here in the column wise also four cities will be given. So in between these two, the salesman has to cover all the cities. So from A to D in the column wise as well as row wise, and in the problem you can observe that in this position will be given infinities will be given in the problem. Why these infinities will be given means, if the person is visiting from A city to A city, visiting the same city will not be allowed. If it is visiting the same city, the cost will be considered as a infinity. In the B city also you can assume that it will be given to you. In the B city also infinity means from B to B visiting will be the infinity. From C to C the cost will be infinity. From D to D the cost will be given to you as a infinity. So means if the salesman visiting the same city will not be allowed. If he is visiting the same city, the cost will be considered as a infinity. And also that you can able to identify the difference. So in the previous assignment models, so row wise will be given workstations, column wise will be given jobs. Two different things will be given in the previous models, but in the traveling salesman model, column wise also cities will be given, row wise also cities will be given. Means the salesman is going to visit the cities. Here only one salesman is going to visit the all the cities. Okay, next thing is, so in the tabular column, main objective for us will be in this model is you need to find the route for the salesman to reach from A city to the D city. That route should be route cost will be as minimum as possible. That is the main objective of the traveling salesman model for us. In this model, from A to D, the salesman has to cover between the cities and should not go for same city again. Okay, visiting of the same city twice will not be allowed. At the same time, visiting the cost will not be provided for the salesman to visiting by the same city. A to A the cost will not be considered. At the same time, from A to B he visited, from B to A again will not be allowed. From B to next city he has to identify that a route can be as minimum as possible. That is the main criteria in the traveling salesman problem. Next we'll discuss the example here. So solution for this example will be, so you need to apply the Hungarian method for this problem also. This is the given problem. For this given problem, first step is row wise elimination. Row wise elimination means you can identify clearly here. So first row, Now listen carefully. In that first row minimum, so you should not consider that infinity, you can take it as a some unknown element. So here in this one, least element will be the 16. 16 will be subtracted from the remaining, or difference 16 will be subtracted from the remaining elements in that one. So 46 minus 16 will be the 30. 16 minus 16 will be 0. 40 minus 16 will be 24. In the same way, for the B row, least element will be 40. 40 will be subtracted from the remaining elements. 40 minus 41, that is 1. Infinity. 40 minus 41 means, that is difference I am writing here. Should consider the positive only, the difference I am writing here. Next will be in that 50 minus 40, 10. 40 minus 40 will be the 0. Now you can come to the third column, sorry, third row. In the third row, so you can identify the least one. Least one will be the 32. 82 minus 32 will be 50, 0, infinity, 28. 28 means 60 minus 32 will be the 28. Next you can go with the fourth row. Fourth row least will be the 36. 36. 40 minus 36 will be 4. 40 minus 36 also 4. 0, infinity. So these are the row wise optimization, row wise operation. Now you can go with the column wise. In the column wise also, you can consider whatever the result you got in the first step. By using this, you need to go with the consideration of column wise. You can go with the second step. In this second step, so our consideration in the Hungarian method is column wise. You can verify the column wise, which is the least one, 1. So 1 will be the least element. 1 can be subtracted, that is infinity, 0, 49. Next 4 minus 1, that is 3. So this will be the procedure that I will show to you in the next tabular column. In the same way, you can apply the second column also. For this second column, least will be the 0. So means as it is, that column will be repeated. In the third column, least will be 0. The same column will be repeated. In the fourth column also 0 is there. Means same column will be repeated in the second step also. Only the modified will be the A column. Now you can observe the column, tabular column that we got here in the after completion of the second stage. Now you can go to the third step. So what is the third step for us? Third step will be minimum number of rows required to cover the maximum number of zeros. So how many rows you are going to get here? So first one, so only 1 0 will be there. You can able to draw the horizontal line, or before going to that horizontal line, verify towards horizontal or vertical regarding that. So if in case here 0 will be there, so in the row wise only 1 0, in the column wise here one more 0 will be there. So means you can able to draw, it is better, it will covers the maximum number of zeros. Means you can able to draw the vertical line. Here in the second row 0 will be there, here also 0 will be there. So you can able to draw the horizontal line. Now you can go with the third one, only 1 0 will be there here. Only 1 0, you can able to draw the horizontal line. So only how many number of lines? N equal to 3. N equal to 3 lines only will be getting here. What is the size of the matrix? Size of the matrix will be 4. Means the solution is not optimized. So what you need to do if the solution is not optimized means, again you need to revise the matrix. Revise means, so uncovered elements, uncovered portion, uncovered elements will be here. Which are the uncovered elements? So here line will be there, line, vertical line. So 4, here uncovered elements will be here uncovered elements will be 24, 30, next here infinity, that is 4 3. So in that least element will be 3. Least element will be okay. In that least element will be 3. 3 will be the least element. 3 can be subtracted from all the elements, and where the intersections will be there, for that it will be added. So in that least element will be subtracted. So 30 minus 3 will be the 27. 24 minus 3 will be the 21. Next here 3 minus 3 will be 0. Next 3 minus 4 will be the 1. Will be repeated. So these are the only modifications. Remaining things will be where the intersection portion. Intersection portion will be here. Where is that intersection portion? So here one intersection portion. So here 10 will be going to modify. 10 plus 3 will be the 13. Here 13 will be obtained to you. Okay. So that is the only modified one. Next will be, so we can apply the number of rows and columns now. Number of rows and columns will be, so here 2 zeros will be covered here. So before going to that procedure wise, first you can verify the row wise, only 1 0 here will be there. The column wise you can verify, here 2 zeros will be going to covers here. Now you can go with the second one, 2 zeros, here 0 will be there. Now you can cover these two. Now third one, here only 1 0 will be there. The column wise also there is no possibility. Now you can able to draw the horizontal line, or vertical line also you can able to draw here. Another line will be here. Total number of total number of lines covered here will be n equal to 4. Our size of the matrix also 4. Means the solution is optimized. Okay, the solution is optimized. Now we can able to apply the next procedure, that is making the square blocks. So that also I will explain to you in the previous slide itself. So making the square blocks. So row wise, you can verify the row wise. You can verify the row wise. First row, here will be the square, 0 will be there. You can able to make it as a square. And in that row wise, it can able to close this. In the second row, 2 zeros will be there. You can leave it. The third row, only 1 0 will be there. You can make it as a square block. The row wise, square, close. Second row zeros, 2 will be there. You can able to make the square. There is no other possibilities. In the fourth row, only this square. So you can able to close this. Okay, now you can verify in the column wise, square will be there, square will be there, square will be there. Here only one square. This is the final optimized tabular column. The squares prepared. After that, next step is you can able to go with this one, A row, C column, intersection point. From the problem, you can able to collect the values of this. From the problem, you can able to collect the values of. So the tabular column will be given. So what are the things? AC will be 16. This 16 will be obtained to you from the problem. 40, sum of all these values will give the final result. And you can remember, compared with the previous model and present model, the difference is, so you can see this from A to C, next C to B, means the salesman is moving from city A to the C. Next, after completion of C, he will start to go for visiting the city B. After completion of city B, he will start to go for D. After completion of D, he will start to go for A, means initial position. This is the cycle, means this is the path of the salesman we are identifying here. Means from city A to the, again he will reach to the city A with by following the number of cities, by following or by moving from one city to the next city. That cost will be getting here as a optimized one, means this is the cost, final cost will be the optimized cost. Means by following this path, the salesman will be going to reach the, will be going to complete all the tasks with minimum cost. That is the final solution of the traveling salesman problem. Thank you.